Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Walmart cash on the Walmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see how much Walmart cash you have remaining. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, first log on to the Walmart app. Then on the bottom right-hand corner, go ahead and click on Account. And then once you're on this page here, you want to go ahead and click on the gear icon on the upper right hand corner. Now on this page here, you should see an option that says wallet. Click on wallet. And then if you go ahead and scroll down towards the bottom here, you should be able to see your Walmart cash balance. Now, if you click on see details, you can basically see your Walmart cash, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your Walmart cash on the Walmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.